Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Alien Cosmetics Christmas palette. And I got this earlier in the year. I think it might be their Christmas palette from last year. So I'm just going to play with this, do a little look, have a little fun playing with the new palette. And if that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take off my glasses. I did my eyebrows with the Joa brow pencil. Also put up my hair, and I used the Sigma eyeshadow base primer to prime my eyes. I also put on a little bit of my Milani Fruit Fetish Pumpkin Spice Lip Balm as well to moisturize my lips. My lips have been super dry lately. Alright, so there is reds and greens in here, but I'm going to go a little bit of a different route. I'm going to take Reindeer, and I'm going to put that in my crease as my transition shade. And I'm using a Sigma E25. Alright, now I'm going to take Cookies right here. I'm going to put that in my outer corner and a little bit in my crease as well. And I'm just using that same Sigma E25. Alright, now I'm going to take Sugar Plum, and I'm going to do that, use that to deepen up my outer corner. And for that step, I was using a Sigma E45, which is the small tapered blending brush. I really like this brush. Alright, now I'm taking a Sigma E32 Exact Blend brush. It's just kind of like a shader brush, pretty much. I really like it to put on my shimmers. And I'm going to take Cranberry right here, and I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. I'm going to clean up my edges with a little bit of micellar water on a cotton round. For my primer, I'm going to take the Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. And I'm just going to dot that on my face real quick, and then blend it out. And for my foundation today, I'm going to take the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. And I have the shade 112 Natural Ivory. I'm going to do the same thing, just dot it on my face. And I'm going to use a BK Beauty 101 brush to blend that out. And for my concealer, I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer in the shade Pure Ivory. And I'm going to dot that on my face or under my eyes. And I'm going to blend that out with my concealer brush. Oh, I just threw on some number 7 Lift and Eliminate Triple Action Finishing Powder in Light real quick to set my under eyes. And now I'm going to go into the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer in Diffused Bronze Light. And I got the mini. Oh, today, yesterday I was saying I hadn't decorated yet. Today I got up all my decorations, except I normally put up a shower curtain that's like, I like buffalo plaid, if you haven't noticed. And the shower curtain is like different patchworks of like buffalo plaid and different plaids and red and black. And I really, really like it. I normally switch that out and I haven't done that yet. I got pictures of our living room and our front door and stuff on Instagram. I posted them on Instagram after we got done, but I mean, it isn't like necessarily Instagram worthy. It isn't like stuff you see on Pinterest. It's nothing like that, but it's just a little Christmas tree for the kids and a few things to decorate. My 8-year-old, she did most of the decorating. She put most of the ornaments on except the ones she couldn't reach at the top, and she figured out where to put different things, so she did most of the decorating. I had to fluff out the tree though, of course. Fluff out the tree, and then I put a buffalo plaid ribbon around my tree, and I did that, but then she did everything else pretty much. Alright, and I'm going to take the ColourPop Pressed Powder Blush in Love Story. This is the one that I really enjoyed from the holiday collection. I'm going to use that. Alright, now I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette. And I'm going to take this one right here, the white one, and I'm going to put that on the high points of my face. Oh, and we watched some Christmas movies on Disney Plus while we did it. We had Santa Claus going on, and then we watched, what else did we watched Nightmare Before Christmas, and then my son wanted to watch Frankenweenie, but then he left and went up to his room before it was over halfway through. Oh, I'm going over my brows. And then I'm going down my nose. Cupid's bow. and a little on the chin. I'm just going to take Sugar Plum right here and just put it underneath my eye, on my lower lash line. Alright, and I think I'm going to take this shade Bells, this gold, and put that on my inner corner. And I'm just using a rougher number 3. Alright, and now I'm going to hop off here, throw on some Thrive Cosmetics mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, for my lips, I'm going to take the KKW Beauty lip liner in Classic Icon. Writing so small on there. And I'm going to line my lips with this. And now I'm taking the Charlotte Tilbury, I don't know what kind of formula it is, but it's JK Magic. And I'm going to put that on top of that lip liner. Alright, and I'm going to take the Milani Fruit Fetish Make It Last setting spray. And just spray my face. Alright, well this is the final look using the Alien Cosmetics Christmas palette. Y'all all know that I love Alien Cosmetics. Their shadows are blendable. Their metallics and shimmers are really pretty, very creamy, go on very well. So I love the formula. The color story, I like the look that I made, but the yellows kind of seem a little out of place to me. I don't know. I think it's a pretty Christmas story, Christmas color story, and I'm excited to keep playing with it and making more Christmas looks. I had a lot of fun sitting down and doing this look for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also ring the bell so you can be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And that's going to be all for me. I hope you are staying happy, staying healthy, taking care of yourselves, and I hope you have a great rest of the day. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.